Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Your law class is going to be started. Already some videos are available on our channel. Just check it out because it is the second part of the types of contracts. By its title, you can understand. So the first part that is already is available on our channel. So please go and check it out first and then come to this topic. So, at a glance, we can recap this types of contract that we have already learned from the earlier classes. So, we have already discussed the various types on the based on the validity. That is a valid contract. What is void agreement? What is voidable? What is illegal? So, all the concepts our concepts are discussed in that earlier class. So this is all about the recap, and the link will be provided in the description box for the of the earlier class. So go and check it out, and then come to this class. Okay. Now today's class will be started. Again, the types of contract, but it is part two. Why part two? Because it is again another types of contract. It is based on the formation. How contract is formed. This is the basic formation which can divide this types. Means the divide the contracts and make the types of contracts. Let's discuss. The first point is the express contract. By its term, you can understand which is in words. It is very much important, just like a keyword. The which is words spoken and written. When we are doing something on written format, or we are giving the we are doing the promise, we are promising other by saying something that is spoken, that is verbally. It also the express contract. That means you are expressing your feeling, or you are expressing your assent, or you are expressing um, your opinion. So that is the express contract. Don't get confused with this term. That is only it is written, so that is express contract. No, written as well as spoken. These two terms should be there for the express contract. Move on to this next topic, that is implied contract. What is implied contract? Implied contract is other than by the act or the conduct. Means conduct or the acts. ये सब छोड़ के while you are doing any activity, just can express can imply the contract. Just I'm giving the example. While you are standing at bus stop, that means you are waiting for the bus. Bus bus stops when they see you. That means and you just go inside the bus because the bus was waiting for you or the passengers. Then what does it mean? It means you are while you are standing, it is the good sign or the yes sign for the bus that has to be stopped at the bus stop is, or while the bus has been stopped, then you get into it. Got it? So for you, that means while the bus is stopped for at before you, that means it is yes for you. That bus is allowing you to get into it. So it is again the implied contract. And when you are in the bus, the conductor can ask for the fare of the bus. That means you are liable, or you are saying yes to pay the fare. You can't deny that. That you can't told, you can tell the you cannot tell the conductor that why I have to pay the fare, because I didn't ask for the first time while I was get into it. The conductor can be contradict you by saying that you are riding a bus, you are taking advantage of the bus, means the travel and the facilities which are given through the bus service. So you are liable to pay the fare. This is the rules. What type of rules? This is the implied contract. When you are getting the service, if it is not free, means you are somewhere you are having your obligations. Means you are, if you are taking the facilities, or you are paying the consent to take the facilities, that means it is implied contract. While someone is asking you to do so or not to do so, either you are nodding your head like this, that means you are saying no because we are familiar with this conduct, like this. And if you are saying yes, then you can say like this or like this, means it is again the conduct. Okay, so this is the implied contract, that is your conduct or your activity. Okay, so this is the implied contract. Now move on to the third one, that is quasi contract. What is quasi contract? Quasi means the partial. So it ensures that fairness and justice where no formal agreement exists. This is very common thing we do. Just whenever we find any valuable things or any abandoned pet, like a dog or a puppy which is lost by the owner, and if any purse or wallet has been found by us, then what to do? Either we are looking for the owner, actual owner, through the police station, with the help of the police station, or like this. Or if I know the owner, I will wait for the owner to come and get back to you, get back to that person. Okay, so it is the quasi contract. What can I do? What can I do? When I find anything of the owner, we should be a prudent man or the actual reasonable person. We just have to look into it. We just have to take care of it. We just can't use it, or we just can't torture it if it is a live thing. Okay, it is a living object. We can't torture them. We can't abuse them. Okay, just what to do? What we have to do the justice with it, being a reasonable and prudent man. But there is a no formal agreement. I am not obliged. I am not I am not making any promise with the consideration with the another party, that the owner of the things or the living object, that come and I will take care of it. No, there is no formal agreement exists. Just exist what? It is the fairness or justice, being a reasonable person. Means I am the founder of the goods or the living object. I am taking care of it unless and until the actual owner has come and take it back. As simple as that. So it is quasi contract. And next one is the e-contract. It is very much popular nowadays, as we know. That is contract, that is an agreement. We all know, we have already discussed which contract and which is not contract, which is agreement, which is contract, already discussed in the earlier classes. Please go and check it out. Once again, I am requesting you. And then come to this slide. It is more convenient for you to understand. Okay, now e-contract. What is e-contract? It is formulated online. While we are doing any or accessing any website or like this, just we often see that accept or give a check box. They put a check box and you have to tick I accept these terms and conditions, like this. Why it is? It is that you are authenticated to be the what say user of this website, and you can access it. You are maintaining, or you are liable to follow the terms and conditions given by the website, and you are giving the consent by putting a tick or putting OK on the accept button. This is your consent, how the agreement is forming. Got it? So this is e-contract because it is happening through the online mode. So it is e-contract, electronic contract. I think this is clear to you. So we will move on to the next part of the contract, that is again the type of contract. Why it is part 3. Definitely something is new for the part 3. That's why it is part 3. That's why it is coming on part 3. So till now, I think it is clear. If not, then you can ask in the comment down below or you can email us. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.